it is CheapNails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. Do you want to do your nails for Christmas? Well, this video is going to help you do so. First things first, you want to paint all your nails white. And if you want to prep your nails before you paint them, you can watch this video up here. Okay, let's get on to designing them now. My white nail polish is all dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite acrylic paint, and I'm going to take my paintbrush, and I am going to paint a straight line going up my nail, and this is going to be the Christmas tree. Now, I wanted to make a really kind of realistic looking Christmas tree, so I'm definitely following the method of Bob Ross, where he draws a line, and then he kind of just makes those like squiggly lines going down. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, it looks really good as kind of a realistic looking Christmas tree. And then I just kind of went over it again and just made it very full, because of course Christmas trees are very full. I think it really looks like a real Christmas tree. After my Christmas tree is all painted, I'm going to go ahead and take this lovely Shanty's Rainbow Glitter Polish, and it is called Unicorn's Kiss, and it is really pretty. It's like a rainbow glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and just place some of it on a piece of paper so I can take the individual pieces of glitter out of it with a toothpick. And I'm going to just take one blue one and I'm going to place it on my nail, and they're going to be the bulbs of the tree. I think this looks so pretty. This polish was just perfect. The glitter in this polish was just perfect to put as bulbs. And after all my bulbs are on the tree, I'm going to go ahead and we need a star for the top of the tree. So I'm going to go ahead and take this star stud and I'm going to put some top coat down and I'm going to place it on top of the tree. I think this looks so pretty and so realistic. The rainbow polish with the glitter really had glitter that looked like bulbs, and the star on top of the tree is just perfect. Okay, after that, the tree is done. It just needs some top coat, and I'm going to use some of this Born Pretty water-based top coat because I really like the effect that it goes on acrylic paint. Because sometimes when I use acrylic paint, some top coats look weird when I put it on there. I don't know why, but this top coat doesn't, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and then I'm going to take my super dry and I'm going to put a quick dry on all of my nails. I like to put another quick dry top coat over the water-based top coat because I feel like that Born Pretty water-based top coat does not last for very long, so I definitely like to put a quick dry over it. There we go, they are all done. I really love this design because it's super easy and super quick, and it looks very realistic, and I think that it's so pretty. I loved wearing these realistic looking Christmas trees on my nails. I hope you guys like them too. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you like doing Christmas tree nail art. I hope you guys got value out of this tutorial, and it helps you when you design your nails for Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful rest of this Christmas season. And remember, even though there was no room for Jesus at the end, let's make room for him in our hearts this Christmas season. Merry Christmas, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!